Well, this is Dublin, capital city of Ireland, and at the top of Grafton Street later today we're going to go to Maths in the Street. This is a fantastic and exciting event where we're going to do mathematics for the passers-by, and I'm going to show you a few of those little problems. So let's go to Grafton Street. Wait a minute, what is going on here? There seems to be lots of moving of pieces from one place to another. I'll tell you the story. A long time ago, so the legend has it, there were 3 pillars in a temple, and those pillars had stones on, rather like the things we can see. And the idea was that the monks in the temple had to move the stones, or the whole pile of stones, from one pillar to another pillar. And the rumour is that when they did that, the world would end. Well, hopefully there'll be lots of stones on the pillars, right? There were only 64. That's a bit too many for us. As you can see from the picture here, there are only 5. But what are the rules? Let's have a think about what the rules are. Watch for a couple of seconds and see if you can see 2 things. How many does he move at a time? And does he ever put a stone on top of a small one? Have a look. Now, you probably don't have stones and pillars in your classroom, but you have a little think about what other equipment you've got. Is there anything that you could use? Maybe counters, maybe coins? If you've got little Cuisinart rods, they'd be brilliant for doing it. Could you make an image of this? Could you make a picture of it happening? I wonder if you could think of a way of doing it. Here's a little way I've come up with to give you a start. Check this out. Well, there we go. 3 moves for 2. But I suppose if we're going to start small, we need to go bigger. So let's make a note of what we've done and see what happens with 3 stones. Here goes. Okay, well there's our original 3 moves. Now an extra move to move the middle one. And then of course it's going to take another 3 moves to move into position. Can you spot the pattern there, I wonder? So there it is. With 3 stones, 3 moves, then another one, then 3 more. That's exactly 7. What now? Here's the way I've come up with recording it. I've got 3 green sticks I've borrowed from my Cuisinart rods, and here we've got a little green one, a yellow one and a black one, and I'm going to see how many moves it takes to move all 3. So I'm going to move, there's my first move, move number 1, move number 2, and now I can put this one on here, move number 3. Now the big one can move, there's nothing on top of it, that's 4. There we go, that's 5 and 6. I could do that, and then my last move, there we go, 7. Not terribly neat, but clear enough. 7 moves. I wonder how many moves it would take if I had 4. Oh, I don't know. One more thing. How many seconds exactly would it take for that many stones? Well, that's for you to find out.